Life has a way of testing us. Sometimes the weight of the world feels too heavy to carry. We stumble, we fall, we wonder if we have the strength to rise again. But listen closely. Within you there is a fire that cannot be extinguished, a strength greater than every obstacle, a power far beyond what you can see in this very moment. That power is your will, your belief, your unshakable spirit. You see, life isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about facing them with courage. It's about standing tall when everything around you tells you to quit. The truth is, greatness doesn't come when the road is easy. Greatness is born in the moments you decide, I will not give up. I will not back down. I will not let this defeat me. Every person you admire, every hero you look up to, every champion who has walked this earth, they all started where you are. They had doubts, they had fears, they had failures, but they kept moving forward, and so can you. Do not let fear chain you. Do not let failure define you. Do not let doubt silence you. Because within your heart beats the rhythm of resilience. Within your mind lives the blueprint for success. And within your soul burns the fire that can light up the darkest night. You were created for more than just survival. You were made to rise, to soar, to inspire. Think about it. Every setback you've faced has given you wisdom. Every challenge you've endured has carved out strength. Every storm you've weathered has prepared you for this very moment. The pain of the past was not meant to break you. It was meant to shape you, to sharpen you, to prepare you for the greatness that lies ahead. So when life whispers, you can't, answer with, watch me. When the world says you're not enough, rise up and declare, I am more than enough. When obstacles block your path, don't stop. Climb higher, push harder, dig deeper. Because the truth is, the only limits that exist are the ones you choose to accept. Yes, it will be hard. Yes, you will get tired. Yes, there will be days when you question yourself, but that's when you must remember. Diamonds are formed under pressure, mountains are climbed step by step, and victories are won by those who refuse to quit. So stand strong, breathe deep, lift your head high. You are capable of more than you know. Imagine the life you dream of, the person you want to become. The goals you've carried in your heart for so long. They are not impossible. They are waiting for you, waiting for your courage, waiting for your persistence, waiting for you to say, I will not stop until I get there. And the beautiful truth? You don't have to take the whole journey today. All you need to do is take the next step, and then the next, and then the next. One step at a time, one day at a time, you will move closer to the life you deserve. So when doubt knocks on your door, don't answer. When fear tries to steal your voice, speak louder. When failure tries to push you down, rise taller. Because nothing can stop a determined heart. You are stronger than your pain. You are greater than your fear. You are more powerful than your circumstances. And no matter how many times you've fallen, today you can rise again. This is your moment. This is your time. Not tomorrow, not someday. Today. Rise up. Believe in yourself. Take that step. Keep moving forward. Because the world is waiting for the gift only you can bring. Your story isn't over. Your fight isn't finished. Your victory is ahead. So stand tall, walk boldly, and never forget, you have the power within you to change everything.